8508. What is the maintenance recording responsibility of the person who complies with an airworthiness directive? A. Advise the aircraft owner divided by operator of the work performed. B. Make an entry in the maintenance record of that equipment. C. Advise the FAA office of the work performed by submitting an FAA Form 337. The correct answer is B. Compliance with airworthiness directives is crucial for the safety of aircraft operations. It is important to keep accurate and up-to-date maintenance records to ensure the airworthiness of the aircraft. 8509-1. Manufacturer's data and FAA publications such as airworthiness directives, type certificate data sheets, and advisory circulars are all approved data. 2. FAA publications such as technical standard orders, airworthiness directives, type certificate data sheets, and aircraft specifications and supplemental type certificates are all approved data. Regarding the above statements, A. Both 1 and 2 are true. B. Only 1 is true. C. Only 2 is true. The correct answer is C. Under 14 CFR Part 21, the administrator issues ISOs 8509-1. A technical standard order, TSO, is issued by whom? A. The aircraft industry. B. Part manufacturers. C. The administrator. The correct answer is C. Technical standard orders, TSOs, are issued by the administrator of the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, to establish minimum performance standards for specified materials, parts, and appliances used on civil aircraft. 8510. The Air Transport Association of America, ATA, Specification Number 101, establishes a standard for the presentation of technical data and maintenance manuals. 2. Divides the aircraft into numbered systems and subsystems in order to simplify locating maintenance instructions. Regarding the above statements, A. Both 1 and 2 are true. B. Neither 1 nor 2 is true. C. Only 1 is true. The correct answer is A. Both 1 and 2 are true. The Air Transport Association of America, ATA, Specification Number 100 establishes a standard for the presentation of technical data and maintenance manuals and divides the aircraft into numbered systems and subsystems in order to simplify locating maintenance instructions. This standardization helps ensure that maintenance manuals are organized in a consistent and logical manner, making it easier for maintenance personnel to find the information they need to perform their job effectively. 8511. Aviation Maintenance Alerts, formerly General Aviation Airworthiness Alerts. A. Provide mandatory procedures to prevent or correct serious aircraft problems. B. Provide information about aircraft problems and suggested corrective actions. C. Provide temporary emergency procedures until airworthiness directives can be issued. The correct answer is B. Aviation Maintenance Alerts, formerly General Aviation Airworthiness Alerts, provide information about aircraft problems and suggested corrective actions. These alerts are issued by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, to provide information to aircraft owners, operators, and maintenance personnel about potential safety issues related to aircraft maintenance and operation. While they are not mandatory, they are highly recommended as they provide valuable information on how to prevent or correct serious aircraft problems.